Holy Python if exercises. So the first one here is write an if statement that asks for the user's name via an input function. So input, please enter your name. Enter your name. And then I'm going to use a if statement. If the name is equal to Bond, well then we're going to say, hey, welcome on board 007. Else we're going to say print good morning name. Just changing it up there. Let's run that. Please enter your name, Bond. And when I run it, I'm going to get out welcome on board 007. So that was correct. Run it again. Enter your name, James. And we get good morning, James. Perfect. That one's working. Next one. Do the same thing as exercise 7A. This time making sure if the bond is with lowercase b, it still prints it. So, input. And maybe I'll just use the same line as up above. Please enter your name. Now, I am going to change the first letter to a capital. Look what I do here to do that. I'm going to say name is equal to name dot capitalize. And there's a string method for you that you haven't done yet. So some of these are definitely hard. Jesus. And then I'm going to use the same thing again. Yeah, so string methods might be the next thing to do next Tuesday. Let's run it now. See how we get on. Small case bond. Welcome on board 007. Because it capitalized the first letter. I'm actually going to print out name as well now. Bond, welcome on board. Look at how it capitalized the first letter. Everybody, do you see this? This is number 2 on Holy Python. Whatever name I've entered in. So if I entered in B-O-N-D, I use the little capitalize function then to convert the first letter, which capitalizes it. Like any word that's capitalized, the first letter is in capitals. So that changes it to capital B, and I actually printed it out. Print bond, welcome on board 007. So I'm right there. That's number 2. Quicker way to do that is do this. And append this on to the end. But again, we've got to do string methods yet. Oh, sugar. Capitalize. You could do it there straight away. Yes, Shay? Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Doesn't make a difference. No, we're going to... So that just capitalizes the letter. Okay.